If you're looking for a projector that can elevate your home movie nights or work presentations to the next level, the TOPTRO X7 might be the perfect choice. With advanced features like autofocus, automatic Keystone Correction, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, this projector promises to deliver incredible images in any environment. And the best part, it comes with Android built-in, allowing you to watch your favorite shows on Netflix and YouTube without any hassle. Of course, the official link to purchase the TOPTRO X7 is in the description below, but if you're still undecided, I'll walk you through all the details of this projector. Let's get straight to the point. What makes the TOPTRO X7 such an interesting option in the projector market? Imagine a device that you can turn on, and within seconds it automatically adjusts the focus and screen, ensuring a perfect image. Yes, that's exactly what you'll find here with the new autofocus and auto keystone technology. No matter where you place the projector, the image will always be sharp and rectangular. It's convenience at its best. Now, let's talk about specifications. The TOPTRO X7 supports 4K resolution, with a native resolution of 1920 x 1080, ensuring a high-quality visual experience. The 700 ANSI Lumens Brightness ensures you'll have clear images even in environments with some light, and the 25,001 contrast ratio delivers vibrant colors and deep details, essential for a great movie or to present your ideas in an impactful way. Another standout feature is the connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6, you get a faster and more stable connection, avoiding the lag that can happen with other projectors. Plus, Bluetooth 5.2 allows you to wirelessly connect your favorite headphones or speakers, offering an immersive audio experience. And all of this without the need for complicated cables. What truly sets the TOPTRO X7 apart from other projectors on the market is its fully sealed optical engine, which protects against dust and prevents issues like yellow or black spots on the screen over time. This means your investment is protected, ensuring a longer lifespan and fewer maintenance concerns. Additionally, the IP5X dust-proof certification adds an extra layer of security. And there's more. The TOPTRO X7 comes with a built-in Android system, giving you access to over 8,000 apps directly through the projector, including Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. This eliminates the need for an external device, like a TV box, further simplifying your experience. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any updates and will keep receiving content like this. And remember, the official link for the TOPTRO X7 is right below in the description. Compared to other projectors in the same price range, the TOPTRO X7 stands out not only for its specifications, but also for the convenience it offers. The ability to watch your favorite shows and movies directly through the projector without needing to connect extra devices is a major advantage. Additionally, it's perfect for both home and professional use. Whether for an outdoor movie night or a business presentation, this projector delivers consistent, high-quality performance. For those seeking a versatile, powerful, and practical projector, the TOPTRO X7 is an excellent choice. With all its advanced features, from autofocus and auto keystone technology to Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, it's ready to deliver an amazing projection experience, whether for movies, games, or presentations. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the link in the description and see how the TOPTRO X7 can transform your entertainment or work experience. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it now to stay updated on the next product reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next review.